Hi everyone, so today we have this Nacon controller. I will show how to disassemble it. Actually it will be my first time, so we might encounter some issues, but let's see if it will be easy to open or not. This one doesn't have here the joysticks, so it didn't come with them, so I need to buy new ones. But I believe the joysticks is just to pull them out if you want to take the covers off, because you will take the main one and then you will need to take these ones later on. But to disassemble you need to take the covers here from the joysticks. So let's start. So to disassemble this one, first you need to turn around the controller, and here you can slide open these parts. Here is where it holds the weights, but you will have a screw over there, and the other side as well, the same thing. So how to disassemble these? You have several screws. You have one here, another here, here, and here. So basically 6 of them. So you'll need to take these covers. You can try to take these covers with your nails. Maybe you will be able to pull them out. So actually I'm kinda can. And I suggest for you to, because this is similar to this side, but it has here some specific indentations. If you can see here in the sides, here in the back, and here on the side. So it's you can try to put it here, but it might not fit 100% sure. So usually what I do, I put it in which side it belongs to basically on this cover, just for me not to forget. It's not a big deal. And as well, if you cannot take it with nails, I use some tweezers, and I just try to grab it here in the border, and then it should come out. And for the other side, basically the same thing. Sometimes it might be a bit stuck more than others if it's your first time opening your controller. So just try to go in and try to lift it. And here you have the 6 screws, 2, 4, 6. These screws, you can use a screwdriver. This one, this is PH1, so you can use this one. At least for me, what it works as well. If you need all these tools, I will put here in the description links for it. So let's take the screws. Okay, all the 6 screws are out. I suggest as well take this button, because then it might jump. So let's see if I can go here with the tweezers, because I cannot grab it with finger, or maybe I can. No, I cannot. Let's see if I can pull it. Actually, a bit stuck over there. Maybe I will grab here some tweezers. Let's see if I can pull it. Actually doesn't want to come out. Oh, it's tricky. Well, it will go out for sure, because when you are taking the cover, this will come out. So if you can take it out, you should be able. For some reason I'm not able to take out. Let's see, let me use here some pliers. Yeah, with pliers probably it's better, because you have some grip, better grip on it. So we took it out. The weights, you don't need really to take them out. It's up to you if you want to take them out. Maybe I will take it just for them not to fall. And now, how to take this cover. So you can use here this type of tools, or some prime tools, or if you have this kind of picks as well, you can use. And there is several of them. I will try to use these ones just to see, but all any of the others should be okay as well. So this is just use some plastic one, don't use metal, because then you might bend here a bit the case. So let's try to, okay, so here you see I just pull it in and actually it just went a bit up, and the other side I think the same thing. So you can twist it like this a bit and it will go in. You just try to press it in. I think the most tricky part here is over here. There is here some so you hear this cracking noise, and actually I force it here a bit, so I guess I mess it up, or this was already tried someone else to open it, so it could be as well. And here on the other side the same thing. So let's try to fit it in, and then here it should crack as well. Okay, so it cracked. You can see here. I'll try to pull it. Let's see if it will come out easily. Okay, here on this side. Okay, so it's come out. It come out like that. So here on this bottom part, you just see here you have some small plastic that holds here in the place. So you always need to put it. Let me see. Put it in and do something like this just to be able to take it out, because sometimes you can break this part over here. But for us, actually lucky. And now, so we have here one more button. This you can pull it out as well. I'll put it over there not to lose it afterwards. And now I think we have here this part. Actually, you just wiggle it a bit and it will come out, because you can see over here you have these holes over here that fits here. Let's see, yeah, over there. So these come out as well, and now you can take the battery. Let's see if everything comes out. Yeah, and you just here you can use some pliers or some tweezers, but usually I use it by hand, and that's it. So what more now? Here you have these boards for the buttons here in the back, these ones, and here you have some ribbon cable that you need to disassemble if you want to continue to disassemble. So I just pull it with my nails, but you can use the tweezers. Just pull it to the upside, and then you take the ribbon cable. And here I think now we just have two screws, one over there and another there, and we might be able to pull this out. Let's check. So let's take these two. So this as well is the same types of screw. So these Phillips screws, and this one as well. And let's see if we can now. So I'm pushing it a bit here with this. Okay, seems probably we'll need to take from the place here these motors, this one as well, and this and that one. So just pull them and they should be okay to come out. So, and okay, so everything comes out, and you can see everything here. Actually here in this one it even came this button. Yeah, so it seems that is some kind of dirt over there, but yeah, so this is how you take it out, at least the main board. Then if you want to take for the joysticks, it's just the covers. I guess you just pull. Do they pull? Yes, they do. The other one, actually the same thing. Just pull it and that's it. They came out quite easy. So And now let's continue. So if you want to take the buttons, see this one actually here has some stuff glued to it. I'm not sure why it happened, but let's take it out. And this one as well, it comes out. So what more here? What we can take? I think here is these buttons. This came out, and I'm not sure where from. I'm really not sure where this is from, but I really wonder where this is from. But I will check it afterwards. Not really sure. So be careful. I will mention where this is from because I really don't know. And what we can take more. So we can take this. This is for the D-pad, and this one's for the buttons over here. So let's take the D-pad first. Actually, no. Actually, we first need to take. We can take this one or this one, and this we cannot. Maybe we could take. I'm not sure because here we have some. You see, it's a bit under this one, but maybe we could take it. Let's try it just to see if you need to take these apart. Then you don't need to watch the rest. So here is just 2 screws as well. And I'll pressing from the bottom, and actually we can take it actually. And that's it. So, and here, this one as well, this will just fit in one place because it has here this plastic sticking out a little bit. So it's the only place where you can fit it. And here the PlayStation button, and I think that's it. Here is the light from this compartment. You can take it as well. And let's take here as well this the touch screen, let's say. And then we just pull it, and then here where it goes the ribbon cable. And to take these as well, it comes pretty straightforward. If you want to replace, you need to replace these. Actually, it will probably need to replace all of these because you cannot. Seems here that you might not be able to take the board out. So probably always the best to buy a new one. And let's take these ones. Okay, and then this just comes out. Then of course, if you need to take these, you can take it. You can pull it because here you can see there is the where it fits. You know, the pieces of plastic that fits here in those holes. So you can see it's quite long. So if you need them to be in place, you just need then to press it actually further, or maybe pull it from the other side, because just the tip of it goes. And this is it. And for the other, is exactly the same thing. So this one is okay. So here we have the buttons. And all of them just came out. I can turn it and they will just come out. I just want to take one by one. But these as well, then it will be easier to put them, even if you don't know which order they should be, because they have all these different indentations. You can see this one and that one. They don't match. So here in the cover, it will just fit in one exact place. So this one, I think it's usually in the bottom, I think, the X button, so you just rotate them until they fit in the right place. So this one not like that, and that's it. You see, just need fit in the right place. So the others, for example, these I'm not sure which side it is, this one or that side. So actually it's here, so all good. So the triangle maybe up. So yeah, up. And this one here to the side. So let's twist it, and that's it. Then everything stays in place. So basically, this is how you disassemble the controller. One more thing that you could disassemble is these buttons over here. I think this is exactly the same as all other Nacon controllers. I have another video where I disassemble these. So basically just take these two screws and all this big part comes out, but then this mechanism here, you just need to pull all of these to open it, and here you have two screws for the button itself of the inside. So but if you need to take this out, check my other video, because I believe that this is very, very similar. So I think no point for me to disassemble these. But if you want this exact model to be disassembled, the buttons, just let me know, and I will make a video for the buttons itself. And as well, what more we can disassemble here? You have here these buttons. Here, these ones, it's the volume and the mute button. So these to take, you just have two screws here. You just unscrew it and pull it. Pull the buttons, they come out. From these buttons here in the side, how you do take them out, you have here some inch. So I believe if you just pull a little bit, they might come out. Let's see. Actually, let's see if I can pull them out. Okay, so for these buttons, actually I'll just playing here around. You just put here, for example, the tweezers, and you just pull it a bit to the front, and then you can see that it wants to come out. Just be careful not to press too much, not to break, and then you see it does come out. Then if you want to take them, you just twist a bit, because there is here place in the bottom where it holds. So this is how you take these buttons over here. So the trick to put them in is just to put them a lot into the bottom and then push from the other side, and they will be there in place. And then you just press it and it will go again in place. So this is how you take the controller apart. Here as well, this button, you can take it apart. It just has here some plastic here sticking, so you just need to pull it from that small hole. And basically that's it. So this is how you disassemble the Nacon Revolution Unlimited Pro. I hope this helped someone. So if it did, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.